We are going to create a MySQL database using MySQL Connector in Python. We will also create a table under the same MySQL database. Once MySQL Connector has been successfully installed, we can always call it by the following import statement. MySQL.connector.connect method is used to connect to MySQL with some arguments as host, username, and password. The connection is given a name. Here, SPC database is also the connection object. We can create a cursor object SPC car using the cursor method of the connection object SPC database. Database name is a variable that stores the name of the database we want to create. Here we are creating a new database. The name of the database has been given in execution time. The cursor object SPC car will call the execute method, and this method can execute any SQL command. We can place the code in try and exit block in Python so we can catch and handle exceptions. We can see that we are using an additional attribute database name in the connection object. We should also reset the cursor object. The refined cursor object SPC car can call the execute method again. This method will now create a table which can be created under the current database. The entire code is here along with the output.